Hello again, YouTube. I was recently at the Brooklands Museum for their annual motorcycle day when I happened across what outwardly is a Vincent Black Lightning. Conversations with people thereabouts who seemed to know what they were talking about would suggest that the engine particularly had actually been manufactured from spare parts, not old original Vincent spare parts, entirely, but bits that are still manufactured by specialist companies. Vincent as a mark is fairly well supported. As I say, outwardly and at a glance it's a Black Lightning, but there are some details which are quite patently wrong. The forks, for instance, which although the lightweight waisted ones, they don't have the rear strut, which is part of the damping system that Vincent used. Instead, it employs a proper shock absorber up in the cantilever. There is a steering damper. There are indicators. There are clocks which are readily visible. All in all, this is a machine which has obviously been built to be ridden rather than just looked at and oohed and ahed over. There are other elements which upon closer inspection show it to be something which was built for the rider's use rather than just to look at. The gear change, for instance, is on the left hand side in a nod to modern machines. I suspect maybe the rider is familiar with modern machines and swaps between the two and doesn't want the faff of the muscle memory of changing gear with the right foot rather than the left. The seat unit is not correct, but it's obviously far more comfortable than the Black Lightning one would have been, which further reinforces the point of view that this has been built to be ridden, not built to be looked at. So let's not fret too much about detail, but instead enjoy what is a beautifully crafted, beautifully assembled machine, built to be ridden and not looked at, which in my mind is the true spirit of what I call the real classic. Anyway, here it is, a new Vincent Black Lightning.